Sandy Caldrone with Purdue University Libraries, and I want to talk to you about maximizing your library in grad school. Let's get started. You're in grad school, so university libraries aren't new to you. You know that the books on the shelves are just the tip of the iceberg compared to all the electronic materials and databases your library gives you access to. But do you know the best way to explore that iceberg? Look for LibGuides or workshops on searching your library collections. Your library may also have guides on how to use citation management tools like Zotero and EndNote to keep your research organized and make it easy to properly cite your sources. If you're having trouble finding what you're looking for, get to know the librarian for your department. University librarians don't just study libraries. They also have expertise in one or more of the areas of study at your university. They know the collections and databases better than anyone and can help you zero in on the resources you actually need. Dig deep to find unique materials and primary sources. Find out if your university has rare book rooms, archives, or special collections. You'll find a treasure trove of rare finds and primary sources, like letters, lab notes, diaries, maps, photographs, and scrapbooks. Unique finds that are difficult or even impossible to access online. For example, I bet you didn't know that Purdue has a special collection of materials about psychoactive substances. We do. Find out what's in your university's archives. Check out your library spaces. Libraries are some of the best places on campus to study, relax, and collaborate. Find out if you can reserve private rooms where you can work on group projects, and look for a calendar of library events, workshops, and fun activities. Lots of libraries host relaxation activities during finals week, where you can grab a snack, do some arts and crafts, and maybe even meet a therapy dog. Library spaces may also include computer labs with specialty tools, software, and staff with expertise. Find out if your library can help you with GIS, digitization, visualization, text processing, just to name a few. Some libraries even have maker spaces with 3D printers available for student use. No matter what you're studying, every grad student needs to know how to find, interpret, and use data. Your library can help with that. Ask a librarian to help you find data sets you can use in your own coursework and research. They may even have special access to proprietary data sets you can't find online. When it's time to start doing your own research, ask a data librarian to help you draft a stellar data management plan. You may even be able to publish your data. At Purdue, all researchers, including grad students, can publish an archive in PUR, our Purdue University Research Repository. Find out if your institution has something similar. If not, a librarian can help you find a public repository. Are you an expert on intellectual property? No, you are not, but someone in your library is. Visit the University Copyright Office or make an appointment with a copyright librarian if you have questions about intellectual property, copyrights, patents, fair use, or rights transfer agreements. Copyright isn't just about following the rules. It's also about maximizing the impact of your own scholarship. Your library may also have a scholarly communications expert who can help you understand open access, deposit your work in an institutional repository, and maybe even publish student-led journals or conference proceedings. Let's do a quick refresh of what we covered. Number 1. Look for LibGuides and workshops on using your library. Number 2. Get to know the librarian for your area of study. Number 3. Dig deep to find unique materials and primary sources. Number 4. Check out library spaces and events. Number 5. Find specialty tools, software, and expertise. Number 6. Get help finding, managing, and publishing data. And number 7. Learn about intellectual property. These are just some of the ways you can make the most of your library while you're at grad school.